Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to creating pie chart using Chart.js library. You can find Chart.js library from this website. You can see we have different kind of charts here. We have line chart, bar chart, and if you want any kind of a chart, just click on the documentation page and you will see all the details there. So now we have to create a project folder. I have already created that, so let me just open this in VS Code. You can see I have open project folder. Now let's create index file. Inside index we need HTML skeleton. Let's give it a title, and that will be pie chart for admin panel. Now let's get into the body. Inside body we need div container. Inside container we need h1, that will be for title, for card title, so that will be pie chart for admin panel. After that we need another div, so let me create div. Inside that div we need a canvas, so here we will be showing our pie chart. Now let me add the id here so we can get that id in JavaScript later. So pie chart. Now let's save this, and I think we are done for the HTML part. Now we have to connect our CSS file here, so let me connect that. Link.css. Now let's create CSS file, style.css. Alright, I already copied the CSS code to make the video short, so I'm gonna just copy that and I'm gonna paste here, and you can see we have our CSS. So for the HTML part and CSS part we are done. Now let's see this in a browser. You can see we have a beautiful container here. We have our title, and after that we will be showing our pie chart. So let's get back to VS Code. Now we have to connect our library file here. So I'm gonna create chart min.js. Now let's create that file. I already copied the JavaScript code, which is minified JavaScript code, so I'm gonna just paste here. You can see we have all the minified code here. Now we have to create another tag, and that will be script tag. Inside this div we will be writing our JavaScript code, so I'm gonna create an instance chart, and let's connect the canvas with the instance. So I'm gonna create document.getElement by id, and the id will be pie chart. So we are selecting the canvas tag using pie chart id and passing that to chart instance. Now we have to add some more data, so let's add a type, and that will be pie, and data. Inside data we need labels. Now let's add HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. After that we need data sets. Now inside dataset let's pass the object, and inside that we need background color, and I have already some colors from the browser, so I'm gonna paste those color here. And now we need data. In this array we will be passing the exact value of the each slice. So you can see we have 418 for HTML, and we have for CSS we have 263, and so on. Now after that we need options. Inside option object we need title, and that will be display true, so it will display our title. And inside text we need pie chart for admin panel. Let me capitalize this. Alright, now let's make this responsive so it work on all device like phones and desktop. Let's add a semicolon here. I think we are done for the HTML, CSS and JavaScript part. Now let's see this in a browser, and you can see we have a beautiful pie chart here, but there is a problem, we don't see a labels, so we need to check that. And you can see oh, I think I misspelled the labels, so I'm gonna make this right, and you can see we have a beautiful labels here. We have different slices like MySQL 332, HTML have 418, CSS have 263. Now let's test this on another device. So I'm gonna make this, and I'm gonna select iPhone 12 Pro. Let's refresh, and you can see it is looking perfect. Let's change the device, Samsung, and refresh. It is also looking perfect. So I'm gonna close this and refresh, and we have a beautiful pie chart. So we are done here. If you like our video, please consider to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. For now, that's it, and see you in the next video.